welcome back to my channel. Today I have come back with a very easy and quick craft. We generally have this kind of bottles at home, so I wanted to recycle it. I didn't want to throw it because of its size, so I decided to cut the rim. For cutting the rim, you can use a knife. You can heat it up and then you can just slice the top, and that's the easiest way to slice it up. Color it, you will require masking tape and spray paint. So I have just taken that masking tape and I have made the shape and then colored it. Make sure that the color dries and then you can just remove the masking tape gently. Sometimes you will notice that while removing the masking tape, it does remove certain layers of color from the vessel. So because the surface is a plastic and you are using acrylic paint, so in that case you can give a touch up for finishing it. So I have also used a touch up for finishing it, and then on top of it I have used varnish. Varnish helps you to give a bright and a smooth finish to your craft. So I always prefer using a varnish on top of any art work which I make. So you can just take some varnish on a brush and just gently apply it on top of the flower vase and let it dry. Once the varnish will dry, you are ready to use it. I hope you liked this quick craft, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Keep watching.